Happy Monday morning, Huskies. Mr. Ball back with another character word of the week recording. Today we're going to talk about the 6 pillars of character. One of my goals as a counselor and one of your goals as a person should be to be as well-rounded as possible. And being well-rounded has a lot to do with the 6 pillars of character. They are trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, and citizenship. Take a little bit of time today to think about who you are and what you value. And always live believing that character counts. The 6 pillars, you've got trustworthiness. People who are trustworthy are honest, reliable, and have the courage to do the right thing. They also maintain a good reputation with others. Respect. Being respectful means that you're considerate of others, you're tolerant, and you deal peacefully with anger and frustration. Responsibility. Do your best to make wise choices, be self-disciplined and accountable. Fairness. People who are fair are open-minded and they play by the rules. Caring. Caring people are helpful, compassionate, kind, grateful, and forgiving of themselves and others. Citizenship. Practicing citizenship means that you're prepared, cooperative, and you're doing everything you can to help make the world a better place on a daily basis. Take a couple minutes to watch this video over the 6 pillars of character. Winners for the 6 pillars week are Landon Rolling and Emerson Schultz. I'll be pulling them down for their snack and for their Character Word of the Week podcast recording. Word of the week for this week is committed. You know, whether you're committed or, other forms of the word, commitment, it all means the same. At school, focus on being committed. Commitment has a lot to do with follow through. Be committed at school and be committed at home and follow through on what you're asked to do. Your challenge for the week is to show commitment in all aspects of life. Get your homework done on time. Be on time to class. Do your chores at home. Practice follow through, accountability, and self-discipline. One winner will be picked each week and submissions must be turned in by Friday at noon. Winners will be announced on Monday. You can submit a handwritten note to the character word box outside the middle school entrance on the Lost and Found table, or you may click the link here and it'll take you to a Google form where you can submit your character word of the week submissions. Teachers remind students to turn things in and make sure to nominate kids who demonstrate the character word of the week. Thank you, and let's have a great week.